What is she doing? Why is she stopping in the middle of the road?
Let's build a road rage game from this viral video.
What is she doing? Why is she stopping?
Watch till the end. First, I'll draw a simple car and upload the video to Glowbom Desktop. The prompt is, let's make a photorealistic game from this video. After generating the prototype, I ask it to translate to SwiftUI so I can run it on my iPhone. Then I ask Glowbom to make it production ready. Open an Xcode and run. From a viral video to a real iOS game.
This is what great game creation looks like.